5
Hello
misconceptions about
YouTube,
diets.
it is
It's time to
Burbizuka.
stop believing in myths. 1. The right diet. Food should support the body with nutrients, keep it toned. At the maximum observance of a food allowance, a person can develop nervous ororexia. This is a disease of the nervous system, in which a person feels guilty for eating a product. 2. Discussion from gluten. Refusal of this substance leads to a decrease in immunity and beneficial bacteria in the intestine. Refuse this only to people who are ill with gluten intolerance. 3. Periodic detoxification. Smoothies that help us cleanse our bodies of toxic substances is a myth. In fact, our body itself is coping with this. The liver, kidneys, and skin themselves derive unnecessary substances. 4. Do not eat after 6. Of course, there is some truth in this. However, a light snack is allowed. You cannot eat only at night, but at any time of the day. 5. There are products that disperse metabolism. Some products with caffeine or certain spices can partially accelerate the metabolism. However, this effect is barely noticeable. Therefore, when creating menus, these products should not be taken into account. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.